My home is equipped with 100,000 MB worth of hardens. The most envied by neighbors is this magnetic track light. The total track length is 13.2 meters, and the single side is 6.6 meters. We use a total of 610 wood floodlights and 618 wood spotlights. It can be attached by magnetic force, which is very convenient. The light can slide freely inside the light slot. The position can also be adjusted according to the space arrangement of the home. If you feel that the atmosphere is not enough, you can add a few magnetic spotlights later to brighten the display decorations. This one in my home was bought back later and installed directly. The truck is a safe voltage of 48 volts. The chosen transformer is a hidden power source of 100 watts. There is no need to leave a maintenance port. It can be installed directly in the truck. No need to dismantle the ceiling for maintenance in the future. If you also want to install magnetic truck lights in your home, you need to pay attention during the woodworking stage. You need to let the master open the slot, embed the trap. Otherwise, it can't be installed later.